It's time. We get to unbox some Pokemon Scarlet. Yes, it actually came out today. Today's Friday after making this video. I don't know when I upload it because I never stay to a schedule. I edit the videos and throw them in the big folder that says needs to be uploaded. And that's how I do things. I just randomly just grab one and boom. Y'all get to watch it. Magic. So let's go ahead and open this up. My first time. I did get both of these, but each one going to be a separate unboxing video, you know. That's simple. These I would like to keep pretty decent. The book. Let's go over the book real fast. The book actually looks better quality than the other books for some reason. Like it's a little bit thicker feeling. Those are cards, and they did the cards a little different, I think, with the stars and stuff. But yeah, that's that. Time to open up the Elite Trainer box. There's this. Get this out. They smell fresh. This chemical smell just knock you down. What we get inside, we got some energy, of course. We get some sleeves. Very good looking. Are they frosted or are they actually, can you see them? Because I like to be able, ooh, these have just got a light frost to them. Okay, not too bad. I seen worse. Okay, we got the code card for you. If you use it, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you get. There's a promo. Is it bent? Is that bent? Oh, it's just, I don't know. Is that creased? Or is that the wrapper? We got to open it. I hope it's not creased. The centering is factory. Not lined up too good. On the back. It's probably a PSA 8 or 9. If it's bent lower. We got some card dividers and some of status effects. We got a pack here and some dice. The usual Elite Trainer stuff. Take a look at the promo, kind of close up. You can see it's a little down this way. I think it's not gonna, it does got a little bend in it, but it ain't creased anywhere. So putting him in a top loader probably would straighten him. Okay, this is a pretty card. The color is actually pretty vibrant on it. I've seen a lot of these being opened, so to say unboxed, but I've seen a lot of these and it's been kind of, you know, like watered down. So that's guaranteed. That's the promo. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. So we got 9 packs for Magic. Pack number 1. What's it gonna be? I'm not sure. Gonna be something good? We shall see. Code card, you use it? You know, let us know. I say a lot. Not many of you let us know. And we got no energy on this. I messed up, didn't I? So this needs to go here. This will go here. No card trick. This should be energy. And if we guess it, hit socket. It is not. Okay, so at the back would be, that's the new borders. I don't know if I like them or not. We got something. That's the new reverses. And behind it we have, oh, okay, we get 2. I forgot about that. We do get 2. That's going to take some getting used to. And behind that we got, oh, a hollow with the borders here. And it's a whale. My first pack of Scarlet and Violet I ever opened, and it was a little underwhelming. I think that's how you say that word. And I think the code card color don't matter this time, so if we see it, it's not going to tell us what's in it. So, here we go. Guess that energy is fire. It is not. It's that leaf energy. Okay, 1/2. We got something. Pack number 2 is something, I think. There's a reverse, and Cloudon EX. Very pretty card. I don't know what the value of any of these cards is, the pull rates, how hard they are to pull, but this is our first EX, and it goes good with the promo. Third pack. Guess our energy after the code card. We got that lightning energy. We do not. Speed through it. I think I sing something, but who knows? I think we got another EX. No, we don't. We got a hollow. I see him silver borders that's got a little bit of hollow on them. Okay. Pack number, what's this, 3? This is 3. Pack number 3. Third pack magic. Code card. Let's guess our energy. It's dark energy. I was thinking it was dark. Actually, I wasn't. I actually got carried away. Anything in this one? Anything? Can we have something? Can we have something? It can be at. Oh no, is it not one of those silver borders? It is. No, it's an EX. And boy, is it a disappointing EX. I don't like that Pokemon. Do you? I don't. I mean, it's kind of like running out of ideas, Pokemon. Like, you could come up with something that looked better than that. I mean, come on, he evolves from like a ball of string. Next pack, shall we? Does that opening? Yes, our energy. We got psychic energy because we know it. We don't. Anything in this pack? Some of the artwork is really good in this, though. That's the reverse, and hollow. Pokemon teasing with them side borders now, ain't they? So we got 4 packs. Let's open this one. It's got the starters on the front. Code card. Guess that energy, fire. It's not. It is not fire. We got something in the back. It's probably just another hollow. Reverse. It is. It's a hollow. So far, this EBT has been very disappointing. I mean, so far. We still got 2 more packs after this one. There we go. Gets an energy leaf. It's water again. Here we go. It's an EX. What EX is yellow? They ain't a Pikachu, are they? Oh, okay. I got both EXs of both of them. I wasn't expecting that. I was not. We shall leave him. Boom. There we go. 2 more packs. Gyarados and a Stardust. We saved Gyarados for last. I think Gyarados is a fan favorite like Charizard. You know? Still ain't used to him silver borders. Here we go. Code card. Pull something good, let me know. Let's see. I'm doing a pack trick, not the. This is the energy, we guess it. And here is that psychic energy this time for sure. It is not. It's not psychic. Okay, do we have something? Reverse, and Amarogue. Hollow. Last pack magic. Last pack, first opening of the Scarlet and Violet. We got both legendaries. And this is the Violet box. They do sell 2 different boxes, by the way. Guess that energy is that water energy because we've been drowning in it this opening. It's not. It's that green energy, you know. Okay, here we go. Take your time. Enjoy the artwork. I think I see something, but it don't matter on this anymore. The hollows is basically got hollow on the borders, so go figure. Reverses is coming up. Next reverse. And finally, Frobo. Pretty artwork, just a hollow. So let me know what you thought about this Scarlet and Violet opening. What do you think about the ETBs so far? I'm not too impressed. I mean, but EBTs is sometimes hit and miss. It just depends. We did pull these though. If we take a look, we got both EXs here. And this beautiful promo. And we got this EX. So I actually pulled 3 EXs out of 9 packs. And we got the guaranteed promo. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Get subscribed.